This is an instructional video for the proper adjustment of the switch ring and microswitch. Make sure that the unit is unplugged before you begin work. The friction wheel and top cover have already been removed from this unit. You will need needle nose pliers and a small ruler. If the unit stays running when you pull the cup away from the cup holders, then the microswitch tab is not adjusted properly. You will need to use the needle nose pliers to grab the tab just in the back of the microswitch and bend the tab away from the microswitch. If the unit does not engage and turn on when you put the cup on the cup holder on any of the 5 spindles, also the switch ring is not adjusted properly. You will need to adjust that tab inward towards the microswitch. In order to know when it is adjusted properly, you will have to measure the switch ring distance from the bottom of the spider assembly flange to the bottom of the switch ring. That measurement should be approximately 1/4 inch. You will hear a click. If you do not hear a click at the 1/4 inch distance, then continue to adjust the tab until you achieve the 1/4 inch distance.